Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from OneDaySaving. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to OneDaySaving. So, first thing is, this is supposed to be a diamond painted coaster. So, ordinary toolkit. And here's the coaster. It's actually relatively thick. Seems like it's wood material. So I got this mandala here. The writing looks pretty clear. Not sure what symbol that is, but I'm assuming there's only one that looks like a marquee, so that's gonna be the winner. So this is $3.31. The diameter is about 10 centimeters. And there's the opening. So, some rhinestones here, yellow, clear, blue, and then the little teeny tiny teardrops, and then these bigger blue teardrops with ABs, so some marquees, and some blue drills here, more little tiny teardrops, and then more marquees. Okay, maybe I was wrong about there being only a couple marquees. Okay, so that symbol that I was pondering is actually that. I was like, what is that symbol? So it seems like the symbols are on the baggies here. All right. Put that back in there. So next item is this one here. So ordinary toolkit, except there's some black tweezers, and these are special shapes also. And here it is. It's these pumpkins here, pumpkins with some flowers on them. I'm hoping the lettering will be visible, but it says here, be joyful, be thankful, give thanks, and some flowers there. So it looks like there is 10 colors. There is a crystal code. All the symbols are symbols. Not my favorite type of legend, but with 10 colors, it shouldn't be too bad, right? And drill field is, like I said, all symbols. So it does look like the lettering is going to be black, so I think that should pop out pretty well. And just like in this, it doesn't seem that obvious there. So this one is $5.29. It is a 34 by 24. And let's look at the drills. Let's see. So some clear, green, orange. Are these the same? Nope, these are two different oranges. There's 3 different oranges, but they look very similar at first glance. Some brown, some more orange. These are the same orange though. So several different oranges, and then black, and then some marquees here. So there's the second one. And the third diamond painting is here. Let's see. So, ordinary toolkit. These are rounds, and it looks like they're in the baggies here. And here it is. It's this kitchen, I guess, utensil table kind of thing here. I thought this was also very fall themey because of the apples, and then looks like there's leaves on the tablecloth, I guess. Okay, so I'm thinking the plastic was put on this before the glue completely, I don't know, cured. I think so. The plastic is not well on this one, but or did the plastic get put on the opposite direction? No. But yeah, no, the plastic is well in this one, but I think as long as you're able to take it out and it seems decently sticky still, it should be fine. Just change it out with some like cover paper, it should be fine. So there is 23 colors. All the symbols are letters here. And drill field looks okay. I don't know. Sad that B and R are the same in the same area, but that's how it goes. And I, T, L, and J are all in the same area, but I think hopefully they'll be easy to distinguish. Other than that, I think everything else is different enough that you should be able to see the difference. So yeah, here's the drills here. It doesn't look like the item number is on the drill, so I'm gonna write it on there because things happen. So this is HJ204, and I'm getting that from here. There's an item number there. Because usually the item number is like on there, and it wasn't on this one because they're in the baggies. So yeah, here's the color scheme here. Some just more neutrally colors here. But yeah, I think that looks like it might turn out really well here. So let me show you everything I got again. So there's, or maybe show you that there, and then there's the coaster. So I see myself finishing these two. I don't know if I'll have time to finish this one, but it might come in rotation at some point. So that's all for now, so I'll talk to you later. Okay, I am back and the coaster is done. It's actually really nice. I like the color scheme on this here. I don't know if I said it in the unboxing, but it does seem like wood here. And oops, there's a random drill here. So the only thing is it is sticky. So I have to seal this. I just haven't gotten around to sealing it yet. I was actually thinking, since this is a coaster and I might put liquid on top of it, this is probably something I'm going to try using my Mod Podge dishwasher safe thing and see if it helps it be a little bit more waterproof. That's I'm like, I have to figure out something to use for that, and I might do that in the future. So for now, it's unsealed. I'm also pondering if I should seal it first and then put the Mod Podge dishwasher safe, but I don't know yet. So this is a 10 centimeter diameter with 9 colors, 3 crystal rhinestones, 6 specials. I thought the rendering was fine, the symbols were fine. I thought there was extra stick, so that's the one hazards with doing these things that are partials, is you can't just cover the extra stick with tape. And the canvas was wood. The drills, I had actually a lot of extra drills. So do you see how small this is? I have so many spares. I probably could do another one. And this took me 17 minutes to complete. So yeah, really quick here. What'll probably take me longer is the sealing. So look out for that if I end up showing it on camera. I might just show you a finish of it at some point. All right. So the next thing is here. It's these pumpkins that say, be joyful, be thankful, give thanks. I do like that the writing is legible, so I can read it on there. And did I say anything? This is a 24 by 34 partial drill with 10 colors, 9 crystal rhinestones, and 1 special. Their rendering was fine. I wrote that there were guide circles, so you can see the white. I don't know. Can you see the white? White underneath the drills if you don't place it perfectly. And canvas, average, nothing special. And drills were nothing special. They were fine. Gapping's not applicable. And this took me 1 hour and 53 minutes to complete. So yeah, I'm a big fan of the special shapes for the petals. It's kind of haphazardly kind of put in there, but I think it kind of works. It still looks really nice here. And yeah, let me say, I just really like that you can see the lettering on there. So there's the 2 that I finished for this unboxing. There you go. So thank you. Let me move this aside here. So thank you to OneDaySaving for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.